Hello everyone, I am Srijal Moral and my project name is Personal Image Classifier and my team is divided into three parts and their role and names is here and my project name is Personal Image Classifier. I have played the role as a project leader and as an information researcher. So I understood the locate the task among with the team and I add as a point contact between the team, teacher and as an information researcher. I collected the question from the team that need answer and also search for answer. I also created the team need as well as. And I would like to call Nisha.
Hello everyone, I am Nisha Hadana, the data expert and coder of this project. My role in this project is decide upon the type of data is required, data for training and collect the data from the researcher and ensure the type of data is required. Further report will pass to the designer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shivi, the designer of this project. I designed this project as my role is to create a data visual base graph and I choosing a layout of this project that the project is made for the more requirement.
Here you can explain the topic. Classifier. A classifier algorithm that produces class labels as output form as a set of features of an object. And a classifier, for example, used to classify certain features extracted from a race image and provide a level and identify of the individuals. Next one is image classifier. Image classifier refers to a process in computer vision that can classify an image according to its visual content. Second one is assigning pixels in the image to categories or classify interest. And third one is the process of predicting a specific class or level for something that is defined by a set of data points. Classification process. Each classification process contains following. Four parts में divided. First, classification. Second, data set, training, data set, and test data out. Third one is our input is a training data set, and that consists of n images, each labels with one of classification 4. Then we use this training set to train a classifier to learn what every one of the classes look like. Method. Add training. First is add training data and select model. Application of image classifier. Classify medical images. Example, tumor is cancer or not. Second one is urban planning by using satellite images to identify lands. Third one is images collection and recording. Fourth one is visual search for improved product discoverability. Reference. So I would like to end this topic and I would like to call our team members with Nisha, data and coder, and Shivi is the designer of this project. And thank you.